Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have, of course, the weekly security updates that have arrived late yesterday for Google Chrome. So if you go into your Chrome browser, you go into the upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, and you go into Help and About Google Chrome. You will be pushed to version 130.0.6723.69 or 70, depending on Linux, Mac, or Windows. So this week, 3 security flaws, all high severity. 2 of them are in the, it's a type V8 confusion. So once again, the V8 scripting engine within Chromium that is attacked and has a security flaw. And there is another one which has to do with extensions, something that they could actually make an extension crash, and this opens up a flaw that you can take control of your computer and, of course, elevate yourself to admin rights, which means you can do pretty much anything you want. So 3 important security flaws. There don't seem to be any 0 days in here, although sometimes we don't know before a few weeks after. And that also means that if you are using a Chromium-based browser like Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, and so on, and Edge, of course, you will also have these security updates coming up in the next hours or days. So do check your browsers, make sure that they are up to date to stay safe on the web. Remember that updating your security with your security flaws fixed is the #1 way to stay safe on the web, as this prevents any script or any malware to get into your PC by exploiting a flaw that exists. So check it out. It's the weekly updates for Google Chrome and, of course, Chromium browsers coming in the next hours and days. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.